Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mega Charizard X from Pokemon. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie, or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his horn on the right side with a curved line upwards, semicircular turn downwards on the left side, and at the lower point right there, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. And on the left side of that, I'm gonna draw the left horn with a curved line diagonally upwards, turn it sideways, and turn it upwards at the tip right there. Semicircular turn to the left and downwards, all the way to the base of the horn right there. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw another diagonal line out and up, semicircular turn downwards from the tip, and semicircular turn to the left and downwards. Now from the base of the right horn, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right, semicircular turn downwards, turn it diagonally to the right and downwards, sideways to the right with a curved line, and turn it downwards, semicircular turn diagonally to the left, and turn it upwards at that corner, and arch curved line across to the left and downwards, and turn it upwards at the side of the mouth right there. Extended line upwards, curved line downwards, and I'm gonna draw a wavy line across to the left at this corner, all the way to the tip of the flame on the left side. Turn it back inwards with a sharp turn at this lower point. Continue the wavy line at this lower point. Stop at that point. Curve line outwards to the left. Sharp turn back inwards and downwards. And wavy line across all the way back to the side of his mouth on the right side right there. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw inside of the head a diagonal line in the middle point right there, and below that at the outer corner a curved line downwards, semicircular turn sideways to the right, and semicircular turn back upwards. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw his pupil with a curved line upwards in the middle point right there, and on the right side a semi-oval shape at his upper corner. On the right side of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and another one on the further right corner. Now below the eye on the right side, I'm gonna draw his nostril with a curved line to the left, turn it sideways at that corner. Below that on the right side, I'm gonna draw a short curved line and mirror that on the right side. Below the mouth, I'm gonna draw his teeth with a triangular shape at this front point. And for the lower half of the mouth, I'm gonna take this point below the flame and draw a curved line diagonally downwards, semicircular turn to the right, and at that corner, I'm gonna draw his teeth with a triangular shape. Continue the line of the mouth above the teeth upwards. On the left corner inside the mouth, I'm gonna draw another teeth with a triangular shape at that corner. And for his tongue, I'm gonna take the left corner of the lower jaw and draw a curved line sideways to the right. Turn it downwards. Semicircular turn at this lower point below the teeth, and turn it back upwards on the right side of the mouth. Below the mouth, I'm gonna draw on the right corner a curved line sideways to the left, semicircular turn upwards diagonally towards the side of the flame. And on the left side of that, I'm gonna make a diagonal curved line downwards right there, and below that another curved line downwards slightly to the right, and semicircular turn to the left with a curved line. Now going back to the head on the right side, I'm gonna draw the flames on the right side with a curved line at the side of the nose, an arch curved line right there, and another one above the forehead to the horn. Behind the horn, a wavy line upwards, right there, sharp turn back downwards, wavy line back down, turn it outwards, sharp turn back down to the horn. Now for his arm on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side of the neck on the right right there, turn it downwards, and below that I'm gonna draw a spike horn with a curved line across, turn it upwards to the tip, sharp turn back down and inwards at this lower point. Below that, curved line downwards, diagonal turn out and to the right, turn it to the right sideways, diagonal turn back upwards to the hand, and a curved line across. Above that, I'm gonna draw another curved line across right there, sharp turn to the right at this upper point, semicircular line to the point below. Above that nail, I'm gonna draw a semicircular line across and turn it downwards. Copy the same shape of the fingers on this lower point right here. Turn it inwards at this lower point, sideways to the elbow point, and turn it back diagonally upwards to the left and up. From the side of the finger at this lower point, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and a curved line sideways at that point. Below the arms on the right side, I'm going to draw his leg with a diagonal line from the side of his tummy, downwards and out, semicircular turn downwards at that corner, diagonal turn back inwards, and curved line downwards below that, semicircular turn out to the nails and to the toes. Now for the back part of that leg, I'm gonna take this point below his tummy and draw a diagonal curved line to the right and downwards. Turn it downwards, turn it to the back, semicircular turn at that corner, downwards, semicircular turn to the front and to the right at that point. And for the toes and the nails, curved line upwards diagonally, turn it diagonally downwards and to the right, and sharp turn back to the left. And I'm going to copy the same shape of the toes on the right side right here, and another one at that corner. Now below the flames on the left side, I'm going to draw the spikes on his back with a diagonal curved line to the left and downwards, turn it upwards to the tip of that spike, sharp turn downwards. Copy the same shape of the spike at the back and a bigger one this time, turn it back downwards, semicircular turn to the back diagonally. A curved line out at that corner, and I'm gonna draw a spike at the back part of his shoulder with a curved line upwards and slightly inwards, sharp turn back out and downwards to the back of his shoulder, and a curved line across right there and turn it downwards. Diagonal turn out to his elbow and turn it inwards diagonally with a semicircular turn. And for the inner line of that arm, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line at this corner right there. And for his hand, turn it diagonally upwards to the right, sideways, semicircular turn down, back to the left, diagonal turn back downwards, semicircular turn back out and down, sideways, semicircular turn at the point, and turn it downwards. Semicircle turn to the side and turn it downwards. Below that finger, I'm gonna draw another curved line in the middle point right there. Semicircle turn upwards diagonally to the left and turn it upwards at that corner to his wrist. From the tip of his finger, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape for his nails at that point and another one right there. For the front torn on his shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally up at the side of the neck right there. Sharp turn back downwards and curve it back inwards at this lower point. At the base of the thorn above, I'm gonna draw a short curved line right there. Now at the side of that horn, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line along his neck back to the flame right there. Continue that line downwards to his hand and all the way to the top of his left leg right there. For the legs, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line slightly to the right and downwards. Turn it back outwards to the left at this lower point and turn it downwards at that corner and to the right. At that point, I'm gonna draw his toe with a curved line downwards to the left. Turn it sideways to the right and sharp turn back up to the upper point right there. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a short line to the left and another nail or toe at that corner. A line across, a V shape for the other nail, and above that I'm gonna draw an arch curved line right there. On the left side of that nail, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards, extend it upwards, turn it diagonally in and to the right, and at the side of that, another curved line upwards, turn it diagonally to the right and to the side of his body, and a curved line up towards his shoulder right there. Behind that leg, I'm gonna draw his tail with a curved line diagonally out and to the left. Turn it slightly upwards to the tip at the back. And for the lower line of the tail, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line at this lower point and turn it inwards, similar to the upper line of the tail. And inside of the tail, I'm gonna draw another similar line again at this middle point. Now for his left wing, at the side of the thorn, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, turn it diagonally up and turn it upwards. Above that, I'm gonna draw another thorn with a curved line diagonally up and to the right, turn it sideways to the right, curl it downwards and sharp turn upwards, and turn it back out to the left at this upper corner and slightly downwards. On the left side of that, a diagonal line up and to the left, semicircle turn sideways to the left, and a curved line across to the tip of that wing right there. Sharp turn back in at this lower point, all the way back to the spike. Turn it downwards at this corner, semicircle turn diagonal to the right and downwards, and semicircle turn sideways to the right. And from the outer corner at this lower point, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircle turn inwards diagonally at that corner, turn it back outwards, and I'm gonna copy the same shape again at this lower point, and I'm gonna rotate the position of that right there, and another one there, and a curved line downwards at this corner. Now for the right wing, I'm gonna take this spike on his back and draw a curved line up, diagonal turn to the right and upwards. And on the right side of the flame right there, I'm gonna continue that diagonal line upwards, semicircular turn sideways to the right and turn it downwards. Below that, another curved line across, turn it diagonally downwards. And below that horn, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, sharp turn upwards on the left side, semicircular turn to the left, and below that, a diagonal line downwards, sideways to the left. On the right side, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at that corner, and below his neck, continue that line downwards, turn it in to the left, and sharp turn back up on the left side right there. And for the flames on his tail, I'm going to draw from the left side a curved line out, and wavy line across to the tip, sharp turn at that corner downwards, sharp turn back up, wavy line upwards, sharp turn on the right side, and wavy line across back to the right side of the tail right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.